Hello Aquarius, this will be your monthly love reading for month of August 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Aquarius, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go by vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. The Star, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Judgment, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, okay, Emperor, Page of Swords and Nine of Swords. This was actually wanted to come, so I'll take it. Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles. So first of all I will tell you the sign are here Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn again, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is not here, just Scorpio is here. Okay, just Scorpio is here, no other water sign. However, any other sign can be, but here we have all the signs except Pisces and Cancer, right? So specifically what we have here is Aquarius, Scorpio and Aries. Okay, these are the signs which are specifically present here. So Two of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. So I can see that you are juggling two people right now. Okay, this is your energy and overall energy. So right now in this month of August, I can see that you have so many options right now, and you are juggling between the two of them, and you are interested in two of them, but still you are actually juggling that who will be the better person for you in future and all. So I can see that right now you are very busy, as well as you are actually balancing out things, but you are not able to do right now. Okay, this person, one of those person actually want to offer you love, and they are actually coming in front of you so many times. They loving you, they give you gifts and all, they give you flowers and all. So this person actually every time they meet you, they trying to show their gesture of love. Okay, so just below that it is Ten of Cups. So this person has the hidden agenda, they want to marry you. Okay, so if you don't know, they want to marry you. Okay, so let's start your reading here. The first card is the Star here. So this is an Aquarius card that is for you only, and if it is coming as first card, that means this will be the reading for this reading will be very strong for you, and you will be in your power in this month. Okay, so Star card is here, that means this person is very very hopeful towards you, and they wish that you should be the life partner for them. Okay, so they are wishing right now, every time whenever they go to if temple and church and all, so they always wishing that you will be the life partner for them. Okay, so however your energy is little bit of cold. Okay, so you are cold on to them, and you have already pulled your sword in front of them, and that's why they are scared of you. Okay, you are looking like very powerful to this person, and they don't want to confront you, but still they are coming with this offer, but still they will think about it first. Okay, because they scared of you. you are being very straightforward and very blunt towards them. That's why they think that it is not the right time to do, right time to offer you this love. Okay. So Queen of Wand is here. Maybe actually two-person, like I told you before, maybe two-person are actually interested in you. So one may be fire sign, one may be a air sign. They are interested in you actually. So this person can be a Leo, and maybe other person also, like Sagittarius and Aries also. But specifically, maybe this person is a Leo, and they see you as a very attractive person. Okay. So this person thinks that whenever they think about you, they got excited actually. They get means they think about you all the time actually. Okay. So they are very physically attracted towards you. I want to say that actually. So Page of Pentacle is here. So this person wants to start this relationship actually through messaging and all. They want to clear the air between you two, and they want to show you that they care for you. They don't want to hurt you anyway. So they want to create an environment which is protective for you, and still they want to offer you that love and all. But still they will not say like directly towards you, but they want to offer you a new beginning, that is stable new beginning. Okay. So that this offer can have a lot of potential to go towards the long term commitment, but right now they are having just offer for the relationship. Okay. They have plans for offer you a wedding, sorry, marriage also. Okay. This person can be a Scorpio as well, because judgment card is here. So I can see that you are going through a transformation actually. So you already dead with this the past relationships now, and now these two relationship is knocking you all the time that you should start a new relationship, but still you have not recovered it fully, but still you are in the process. Okay. So a transformation is going on within you, and now I can see that in future you are welcoming these kind of energies as well. Okay. So however, I can see that your heart chakra is blocked. Okay. And both of those people, these two people can see that your heart chakra is blocked and you are not open for love. Basically still they try to do that, because nobody wants to actually go let you go that in from your from their hand actually. Okay. So they want to possess you actually, they want to hold on with you, like that I can see that. Okay. So the next card is here is 10 of Wands. So now your energy is to drop this burden what you have taken so long, and the thing is now this burden what you have carrying from long back, now it is have no meaning. Okay. And you realize that now, so you have to drop that burden and you have to start a new beginning as a fresh. Okay. So maybe that I told you that maybe a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries specifically, or maybe a Scorpio as well. Okay. So this person is very mature. Okay. This person is very mature. They are actually husband material or wife material. Okay. I don't want to say that, but I hate that words actually, material kind of word. So that's I can see that still this person see you as their future wife, and if you are looking you are seeing that as a means sorry to say, I wanted to say that this person see you as their future husband or future wife. Okay, this person is very intelligent as well as, and I can see that this person is on the top of their game. Okay, so they can be Aries or Scorpio. Okay, so this is the thing. They are keeping an eye on you. Okay, they know what you do, they know what you eat, to whom with you eat, and I can see that everybody who is coming in contact with you, they know. Okay, so they actually observing you from afar. Okay, that what you are up to, is it you are open for a relationship or not. They want to know that what is your behavior actually. So they want to get more and more information about you, and then only they will offer you something. So they are actually very stressing this out. Okay, they are very stressing out right now, and they want to offer you very fast, but every day they try to offer you, but they could not. Okay, so they are just waiting for the right time, but they are thinking that time is just uh, going from their hand now. Okay, so they are stressing it out, and because they want to offer you a long term commitment, that I was wanted to say before also. Four of wand is long term stability, commitment, and marriage. This kind of things they want to offer. They want to actually celebrate with you, they want to enjoy life with you actually. So let's pull out outcome card for you. Please give me outcome card for you, Aquarius के लिए. For Aquarius, 8 of cups and the world card, bottom of the deck. So world card is here, that means you have already ended the cycle that I already talking about. This past relationship have already ended. Now nothing left in this relationship, and now you are moving on. That's, and the new beginning is coming actually, because the sun is actually arising there from there, and you are going towards that. So new day is coming for you. Okay, new love is coming for you basically. Okay, so don't hesitate about it, and you should be very confident about it, and you should have to just go through. Okay, go with the flow. Let's pull out Queen of Moon oracle for you. Discernment. Okay, so nothing is clear inside you right now. You think that nothing is clear in you, and you are seeing that everything is in very illusion and all. This kind of energy you have right now, but uh, universe is saying that just leave it on the universe, and universe will work it out, and fruit will come soon. Okay, so whatever you are thinking, that if it will work it out, work it out or not, so I think this will work it out, because universe is in your side, and fruition will come. Okay, this will grow, and this will manifest in your life. Okay, so this was your reading, Aquarius. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, please book through email, and email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.